I am also fine. Class 9, subject English first paper, Unit 1, Lesson 1. We discuss about English first paper. Now I am going to start lesson named Good Citizens. Good citizens. What do you mean by good citizens? A good citizen is someone who respects others and their property. He or she is helpful and considerate, willing to put others first. He or she listens to the views of others and thinks about what they have to say. If you want to good citizen in your locality or society, you must have to maintain some rules and regulation. If you fail this type of activity, you are not good citizen in our society, in our state, and anywhere. You must have to rules, some regulation and rules. Some rules and regulation. You ought to maintain your time and other activities, etc. Dear SS, look at the pictures. What do you see in the picture? Practically, I see in the picture I think that there are three young men in the picture. They are buying a wheel, maybe one place to another place to help to others, I think. What are they? They are young men and maybe they are foreigner. They are always helpful minded is other. What are they doing? They are doing one place to another place, one thing, maybe buying transfer one place to another place. Dear SS, you guess that the picture shows that we have to do some work in this picture. They participate with each other. They help to others buying one place to another place, maybe hospital. Dear SS, read the passage, be carefully, time 5 minutes. To read the passage carefully, time 5 minutes. Time is over. Now I am read the passage. You are quite silent in class. Long ago, a young man who lived in a village found his life full of problems and sufferings, quarrels, ill feelings, jealousy, enmity, all were part of everyday life there. So he left his house and went to a jungle to live by himself. There he made a little hut with wood, bamboo and reeds. How happy I am here, said the man to himself. First, I read the passage and find out difficult or hard words. Now I am discuss about vocabs. Acquire. What type of parts of is acquire? Acquire is a part suffix, maybe noun, maybe verb. acquire verb. Acquire meaning appropriate anything. Appropriate anything. Angel. Angel noun. Angel noun. Angel, that means heavenly occurs. Heavenly occurs. Constant adjective. Constant adjective unless conjunction. Dear SS, to read these vocabs and passages frequently at home. Now you are participate this type of activity at home. Home tasks. Answer to the question section A. Answer to the question section A. When you will stay at home, you keep safe distance, and when you will go to outside, you must have to wear masks. Otherwise not. No more today. Thank you. See you again.